This is a quick and easy, no-bake, no-cook recipe. Great for snacks, breakfast, or holiday treats. No butter, no eggs, and no flour.
It only requires 5 ingredients. We will first share a quick food processor method. We will then share a second simple method. The two methods we demonstrate produce cookies with slightly different texture.
I love the mixture. It has like a coconut and chocolatey mixture. I just love it. It tastes so good with the combination. Yeah, good.
The recipe is fun and kid-friendly, with no baking or cooking needed. My daughter Brianna is helping me.
We will share step-by-step tips with you as we go along.
We will use the food processor for the first method of making these cookies. First, quickly make a prawn and maple syrup paste. This will hold these no-bake cookies together. You may substitute another sweetener as long as it has the consistency of maple syrup. To make prawn paste, 3/4 cup, 180 milliliters maple syrup. You may substitute soft, soaked pitted dates for pitted prawns. When you measure your pitted prawns in a measuring cup, be sure to pack them well. 1 1/2 cups, 360 milliliters pitted prawns. Make sure it has no lumps and a consistency of paste before beginning to add the dry ingredients. Either whole rolled oats or quick oats can be used in this recipe. 3 cups, 720 milliliter whole rolled oats. 1 cup, 240 milliliters unsweetened shredded coconut. Mix these 4 ingredients well without overmixing before adding chocolate chips. Scrape the sides and push down the mixture. We are using milk chocolate chips. However, you may substitute vegan chocolate chips or other varieties as desired. I'm going to share some important tips before adding the final ingredients. If the chocolate chips are not excessively chopped, the cookies will be rollable. They will be easy to shape. And the result will be a firm, no-bake, not excessively sticky cookie. The cookies will become too sticky if the chocolate chips are completely chopped up by the food processor. Excessively sticky cookies are still delicious. However, they are messy to shape and to eat. 3/4 cup, 180 milliliters chocolate chip. We don't want to chop the chocolate chips too much because the mixture will become too sticky. Just add the chocolate chips to the mixture without overmixing. After just a short mixing, stop the food processor and push the chocolate chips down. Then start the food processor again for one final short pulse.
A heaping tablespoon of cookie dough. First, we knead our cookie dough. Next, we roll it. And then we shape it into cookies. Makes 24 cookies depending on size. These are delicious, ready to eat. Or you can sprinkle with a few additional coconut flakes. Chocolate chips adhere best if applied before the cookies firm.
These cookies can be stored in the fridge for 4 to 5 days in an airtight container.
Now we will begin the simple second method without a food processor.
The simple second method uses quick oats instead of old-fashioned whole oats. Except for quick oats, ingredients and amounts are the same as in the first method. Full recipe, both cups and metric are shown in the first method in this video.
Add your 3 dry ingredients in a large bowl.
To make front paste, pour maple syrup. And then pitted prawns. The well-blended prawns and maple syrup paste.
Add the paste to the dry ingredients. Stir to thoroughly moisten the dry ingredients. The final steps of kneading, rolling, shaping, and storing are shown earlier in the same video. This is the texture of the completed simple method no-bake cookie. This is the texture of the completed food processor method no-bake cookie.